car just broke down. Can you help us out?
Babe, don't worry, it's fine. Can go.
So babe, you trust this your man like this?
Babe, come on now. Look at my hand. I'm married.
What's the problem?
I don't know. It just stopped working. It just stopped us here. So, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I bet.
Bet?
Yeah, 1xBet. 1xBet is the most reliable betting platform in the world. I mean, if you use the promo code NASTY, get up to 200% bonus of whatever I deposit. If you put 1 million, I get up to 2 million naira extra. That's 3 million.
Wow.
Hey, don't start the guy, let's see.
Oh my god, please start. Please start. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm so happy.
You're welcome, okay?
Oh, please, can I have your number?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm married.
So men can do this thing.
Signs of the end time.
Lucifer!
Oh.
Lucifer!
Man.
Come. Jesus. You sure say Nami created it? I'm confused though. No. Are you sure, mate? No.
So you're married and you don't want all of this?
I'm sorry, I'm married.
So babe,
Weko wuye, weko wuye, weko